Watch as 1-8-year-old Tiger Woods defeats Trip Kuehne 2-up to win his first U.S. amateur title, marking the start of his dominance in golf. In 1994, Tiger Woods became the youngest U.S. amateur championship winner at 18 years and 8 months old. Woods' victory marked his first U.S. amateur title, a milestone in his amateur career. The championship was held at the TPC Sawgrass in Ponte Vedra Beach, Florida, a challenging course. Tiger Woods defeated Trip Kuehne 2-up in the 3-6-hole final match to claim the title. This win was Woods' third major amateur title, solidifying his reputation as a rising star. The 1994 U.S. Amateur Championship victory launched Woods' professional career, which would soon dominate the golf world. Ever wondered why you get motion sickness when playing games like Fortnite or reading in a car? Motion sickness affects around 40% of the population, making it a common phenomenon. The inner ear contains a tiny organ called the vestibular apparatus, which detects motion and balance. When your body receives conflicting signals from your senses, it can trigger motion sickness. The conflicting signals can come from a mismatch between what your eyes see and what your body feels. Playing video games or reading in a car can cause motion sickness due to the disconnect between visual and physical cues. The brain's attempt to resolve these conflicts can lead to symptoms like dizziness, nausea, and vomiting.
Witness the explosive collisions of galaxies and nebulas captured by the Hubble Space Telescope, including the stunning merger of NGC 2207 and IC 2163. Galaxies are massive, gravitationally bound systems consisting of stars, stellar remnants, and dark matter. The Hubble Space Telescope has captured stunning images of cosmic collisions, including the merger of NGC 2207 and IC 2163. NGC 2207 and IC 2163 are two spiral galaxies located about 130 million light-years away in the constellation Canis Major. Their merger has triggered the formation of new stars, with some regions experiencing a tenfold increase in star birth. Cosmic collisions like this one can lead to the creation of new, more massive galaxies, shaping the universe as we know it.
Get a behind-the-scenes look at how the Upside Down, a central part of Stranger Things, was created using visual effects, and learn about the inspiration behind its eerie atmosphere. The Upside Down was inspired by classic sci-fi and horror films, like The Twilight Zone and E.T. The visual effects team used a combination of CGI and practical sets to create the Upside Down's eerie landscape. The Upside Down's color palette was deliberately chosen to be a dull, inverted version of the human world. The Demogorgon, a key creature in the Upside Down, was inspired by Dungeons & Dragons monsters. The visual effects team created over 1,000 visual effects shots for the first season of Stranger Things. Learn about the fascinating world of psychological illusions, including the famous color-changing card trick and how our brains can be manipulated. Our brains are wired to believe what we're told, making us susceptible to suggestion. The color-changing card trick relies on a technique called is-direction to deceive our eyes. In one famous study, people were convinced a gray dot was red simply because they were told so. Our brains fill in gaps in information, making it easy to manipulate our perceptions. The power of suggestion can be used for good, such as in therapy and persuasion techniques. By understanding how our brains can be manipulated, we can become more critical thinkers. Explore the infamous curse that allegedly haunted the Boston Red Sox for 86 years, and how it was finally broken when they won the World Series in 2004. The curse of the Bambino originated from a 1,920 trade that sent Babe Ruth to the Yankees. Babe Ruth was sold to the Yankees for $100,000, a decision Red Sox owner Harry Frazee later regretted. The curse allegedly punished the Red Sox for trading away Ruth, denying them World Series titles. For 86 years, the Red Sox suffered in the curse, losing in critical playoff games and championships. In 2004, the Red Sox made history by coming back from a 3-0 deficit in the ALCS against Yankees. The Red Sox went on to win the 2004 World Series, defeating the St. Louis Cardinals in 4 games. Join me on a virtual hunt for pulsars using real astronomy data and machine learning algorithms. Pulsars are incredibly dense, spinning neutron stars that emit electromagnetic radiation in a beam. A single sugar cube-sized amount of pulsar material has a mass of about 1 billion tons. Pulsars rotate at incredible speeds, with some spinning hundreds of times per second. The first pulsar was discovered in 1967 by Jocelyn Bell Burnell, a British astrophysicist. Machine learning algorithms can help identify pulsars by analyzing patterns in astronomical data. There are over 2,000 known pulsars in the Milky Way galaxy, but many more remain undiscovered. Bees are incredibly intelligent, but did you know they can solve complex mathematical problems and even communicate through dance? Bees have a highly developed sense of spatial awareness, allowing them to navigate complex environments. They use geometry to build their hives, constructing hexagonal cells with precise angles and measurements. Bees can solve complex mathematical problems, such as calculating the most efficient route to a food source. Their famous waggle dance communicates the location of food to other bees, using angles and vibrations to convey information. Bees can even recognize and recall individual human faces, demonstrating advanced cognitive abilities. In fact, bee brains contain a type of neural network similar to those found in human brains. Processing complex, take a virtual tour of the Earth's interior. With geologist Dr. The Earth's interior is divided into several distinct layers, each with unique characteristics. The crust, the outermost layer, varies in thickness from 5 to 70 kilometers under our feet. Beneath the crust lies the mantle, a 2,900-kilometer thick layer of hot, viscous rock. At the Earth's center lies the core, a scorching 6,371 kilometers from the surface. The core is split into a solid inner core and a liquid outer core, generating our magnetic field. Understanding the Earth's interior helps us better grasp geological events like earthquakes and volcanic eruptions. Master the art of speaking with a French accent like a native. A French accent is characterized by a distinctive sing-song intonation, with a rising pitch at the end of sentences. French vowel sounds are pure and precise, with no diphthongs, unlike in English, which has many diphthongs. The French sound is pronounced in the back of the throat, with a guttural, almost silent pronunciation. In French, the U sound is pronounced like a soft oo, with pursed lips and a high tongue position. French speakers tend to pronounce words with a softer, more relaxed articulation, with less emphasis on consonants. Mastering the French accent requires practice with native speakers, audio recordings, and watching French media regularly.